Hey guys, today we're going to take a brief look at the T-Rex 5 Equalizer. This is a precision digital EQ with a whole lot of analog stuff going on under the hood. The Equal is a 10-band, ultra-clear, high-end parametric equalizer that is extremely transparent. In fact, you're going to hear just how transparent it is in the sound examples that will follow. Taking a look closer at the plugin itself, you can see that there's several different filter shapes to choose from, as well as several different types to choose from, whether it be British, US, or even mastering tube styles. This incredibly flexible hybrid monster, as their website calls it, gives you the best of both worlds. It gives you digital precision with transparent clarity and the character that only comes from analog gear. So this would work great in mixing and mastering applications as well. Equal opens with a flat white EQ curve and displays the spectrum of your audio source in the background while you're playing. By clicking anywhere on the curve, a band is created. And from there you can select the shapes and types of equalization based on your needs, with up to a total of 10 bands like I previously stated. Like most of the T-Rex processors, Equal allows for operation in left and right or mid-side mode, as well as EQing channels independently. Okay, so that was a brief overview very quickly of the plugin itself. Now let's go ahead and hear what it does. I want you to pay close attention to the ride symbol and also to the crash. I'm going to play a clip. It would be best to be listened to on headphones or studio monitors so that you can really pick up the subtleties, the nuances, and you can actually see what this product is doing. But keep in mind it is going to be a little bit loud, as this is a master track. So brace yourself for loudness in 3, 2. I don't need to fear what man may do to me, for I know in whom I serve. And I don't need to fear what tomorrow may bring, for I know, yes I know, who can heal all the hurt. Okay, so as you could hear, sounded great, except for the fact that that ride was just a little overpowering on that high-end spectrum there, and it was around the 5K range. So let's go ahead and enable the plugin. Let me enable it here. Like I said, I went to specifically 5.23 kilohertz and did a large boost there and found the frequency that I did not like. I've dipped this out nearly 5 dBs on both. Any other EQ, this would have completely destroyed that track, would have destroyed the sonic footprint around that high end and would have killed it. So let's take a listen to it now with the plugin actually enabled. Loud noise in 3, 2. I don't need to fear what man may do to me, for I know in whom I serve. And I don't need to fear what tomorrow may bring, for I know, yes I know, who can heal all the hurt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whole lot of sweet, subtle gorgeousness. I don't even know how to explain that. So, like I said, if you were listening on headphones or on studio monitors, it was definitely a lot easier to pick up on this because it's so transparent. I had to double check, is this thing even working? When I listened closely back, closed my eyes, I could definitely hear the perceived difference. I'm going to try to play it now, and hopefully there won't be an audio dropout or something crazy happening. There's a lot of tracks going on in this. Now, there will be some audio glitches as it's enabled and disabled, but keep in mind as you go forward, just listen for specifically that high-end 5K range on those cymbals, on the ride rather, and on that crash. And loud noise. In 3, 2. I don't need to fear what man may do to me, for I know in whom I serve. And I don't need to fear what tomorrow may bring, for I know, yes I know, who can heal all the hurt. Alright, so if you have ears at all, if you have any kind of inkling of frequency determination as far as things that are not pleasing to the ear. I'm sure you were able to hear that. The T-Rex 5 Equal did an amazing job of transparently removing that high-end shrill sound that was coming from those stereo overheads and the stereo room mics. I hope this has been helpful. If it has been, leave a comment in the comment section below, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. This has been just but a brief overview of the T-Rex 5 Equal. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, guys, you all have a blessed day. Bye.